it really so that someone cannot tell Miss Penelope Beckles that in 2025 they opted to run this campaign on propaganda? It did not work. We have seen in the THA, they have attempted to do the same, and it did not work. We cannot just oppose for opposing's sake. We have to oppose on facts. You just cannot be out there peddling misinformation, fake news. Dr. James, I accept this happens on the both sides. But what we are seeing is that they continuously have these propagandists peddling this fake news, and they are not understanding these new voters. Everyone, this is now in the digital age. People are rejecting it. You have to oppose on facts, not on propaganda. What are your thoughts?
Well, they're going to pay the penalty, pay the price for politics of that kind that is misfiring, that is not informing the public. They are going to have to pay for misreading their role in this time and age. Um, I am not going to query the facts that you have revealed there. What Marvin is doing there is a fact. You can't go around the country doing that. And it's going to backfire if he does not change. There's still time and room for a turning away from that, because that, in a sense, it disrespects people with intelligence. Most people are intelligent. Is that what you're coming to me with? Well, there are people who are going to tell you that. And some of them might just simply ignore you because they are relying. If they peer them, let me tell you something. This might be a very controversial statement. If the PNM does not reduce its reliance on race to keep it in contention and to keep it in power, they're not going to win any election in this country again. The UNC is at the head of the game where that is concerned, head of the going ahead, miles ahead. So take away PNM's dominance in the Afro tribe, and you'll see what will happen. So Penny has her work cut out for her. She is a political leader. The chairman of the party cannot behave in this maverick way. I'm assuming that for her, it's a maverick way of behaving. It's just that she hasn't come out and said so. So she has to show that she has a particular kind of aptitude, right? Um, a particular kind of fortitude as well, where hauling in, rolling in, roping in her noisy and wayward colleagues who are challenging her role, even though they are not saying that they're doing that and they're not agreeing that that's a proper reading of what they're doing. And that's why I started off by saying, well, there's some time to go, but they're going to pay the penalty.
Well,
Because,
as they talk about the black vote, there was a statement made when they was trying to install Stuart Young. Some persons came out and said that the PM is a black party and they don't want any so-called Caucasian or 1% above them.
yes.
Yeah, that statement was made. Um, but on the ground, you will hear persons saying stuff like, it's more emotional stuff that she's a woman, she's caring, she'll be the first black woman to lead the country if she becomes prime minister. So it's like they're trying to do a tit for tat. Kamala was an Indian lady, she became prime minister, she made history, and like people on the emotional level wants to equal the score where that is concerned. Why a lot of people was touting that Penny should be given the position as leader.
Yes, but what is the question? Sorry.
But what I'm
I heard
saying
it.
is, yes, what I'm saying is, do you think that that is a wise way to go in terms of the emotionalism of it and the optics of it?
Does she want to copy Kamala 100%?
Well, not she. The people, the public, when you
Yes.
listen to certain talk
I
shows,
don't. I don't know. I
and
really don't. I don't know. Hello. Go ahead.
when you read social media and thing, you see that on social
Yeah,
media.
but I
But
don't
I
know.
break it
I
down to
don't know
being
what percentage of the
socialism.
population of the party that represents. When you see people talking on social media, how many people are they representing? Who are they representing?
It's just emotions. It's just
And I'm
emotions.
saying also, yeah, I mean, on Facebook and so on, it's
Yeah,
emotion.
yeah, just pure emotions.
But I don't mind people having emotion when they are leaders of our politics. I don't mind that. Um, I think as human beings, we are both rational and we are both emotional.
Yes.
We have a way of setting up a dichotomy that says the human being is composed of two sides, two elements, and so on. One is emotion, and the other is reason. But if you notice how when women, especially in this country here, women brought up their children on their own, I bet you it's not only emotion
No,
that they use to bring their children up. In other words, women can be very rational,
correct.
although they might evince a preference for emotionality when matters are intense. But the girls in the school system who are doing better than the guys are using reason, not emotion. Yeah, taught me. I have taught them, thousands of them, so I know. Yeah. So I'm not saying that you are saying this. Penny cannot take refuge in the understanding that she is emotional and emotionality is critical here. That's a woman thing. I don't think she can take refuge in that. If that, she's going to lose appeal very fast and very deeply. It's not going to happen that way. As you said, people are people are getting their information from all sources now. Digital sources being one of them. People are doing that. So Penny has to get her act together if she wants to, if she wants the PNM to win back the glory days.